thinkers, welcome to another quantitative class. Good to see you here. Let's look at some few diagrams, study them thoroughly and solve them with ease. Looking at this diagram, our first sample here, we have 10, we have 7, and we have 51. How do we arrive at our answers? Now, 10 squared is 100, and 7 squared is 49. Squared is what? Multiplying a number by itself. So 10 times 10 is 100, 7 times 7 is 49. If we do a quick subtraction, it equals 51 you have there, right? So it is simply 10 squared minus 7 squared. Okay, let's look at our next example. We have 12, 9, and 4. How can we ascertain? How can we get our answers? Now, for quick study, square root of 9 is 3. Are you getting the picture? So simply multiply 3 by 4, it will give 12. It gives 12, right? So square root of 9 is 3 times 4 equals 12. So simply square root of this times this equals the 12 we have there, right? Good. Okay, here we have this picture. 3 squared plus 13. 3 squared is what? 9. 9 plus 13 gives 22. This 22 we have here, right? And how do we get 39? How do we get this? It's simple. Simply 3 times 13 without the square. 3 times 13 gives 39. Quite simple, right? Okay, looking at this diagram or this figure here, we have 8. So 8 squared is 64. Which 8 are we talking about? This 8. Square of that 8 is equal to 64. And also 64 plus 8 plus 7 equals 79. That is, this 64 plus 8 plus 7 equals that. Do you get it? Good. Now let's see how this is done. 6 times 5 is 30. This 6 times this 5 equals 30. And half of 30 is 15, meaning 30 divided by 2 equals 15. How do we get 60? Simply 30 times 2. So 30 times 2 gives 60. So how do we get our answers now? 6 times 5 is 30. Divide by 2 gives 15. Times 2 gives 60. It's quite simple. So this class, hope you had a great time learning in this brief class. Don't forget to do your content page quiz, your quiz, and your assignment. See you in our next class. Tests 4. Bye, and thanks for watching.